to our channel. And today we're gonna make cookies for our husband Christmas party, and the theme is a carnival. Now we're going to start.
Okay, so what's the first thing you guys are gonna do?
We're going to make cookies.
Right. So what did you guys already do?
We already made the batter.
Yep. So this is the batter from last night. Well, it's the dough, the cookie dough, right?
And it's kind of squishy.
Right. So we're going to.
Okay, this looks big.
Yep.
It's a big one.
So we're going to use the rolling pin, and we're gonna roll out our cookie dough so that we can use all of our different shapes. Oops, sorry guys. We're gonna use all of our different shapes here. And we're going to do what, guys?
We're going to make them into cookies.
Yeah.
And then eat them.
And then we're going to try our hand at some decorations. We're gonna get fancy. We're making our own icing sugar.
And this is
Well, it's icing sugar, but we're making our own icing.
And this is the icing.
Yeah, so we have all our measuring.
Favorite part.
Yeah, that's Michael's favorite part over there. He's gonna use the sprinkles. So, and there's Mr. Cranky Pants in the corner. You want to say something, sir? Should I come over there so you can say something? What would you like to say? Okay, so guys, we're going to get started.
Wanted to smile.
Yeah, he smiled.
He's saying hi.
Say hi, Kaden.
Just to let you know, he's saying hi.
Say hi. Okay, he's being shy now. Okay, guys, so we've already washed our hands. We have all of our utensils and everything that we're using. So let's get started, okay? Okay, hold on. Let me speak. It got smaller, guys, because this was too much to work with, the initial portion. So what we did, and the recipe did actually say, and we'll make sure to include it in the description. We have to actually break up. Well, you're supposed to put them in 3 different sections so that it makes it easier to work with, right? So you can obviously see that that is the case. So here we have. Yeah, here we have our dough. And so we are going to start with our shapes. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that up after.
this is what the cookies look like from out of the oven. Now we're gonna decorate it.
So some of them came out
Bad.
yeah, but you know what? It's okay.
These are the ones that we're eating.
Yeah, these ones didn't make the cut because they either folded or, well, they came out in some other shape than what they were intended. So Ariana's making good use of it and she's eating them. How are they?
Good.
Yeah, okay. So.
Here's like the banana muffins.
Oh, really? But there's no banana in them. But okay.
I don't know what they taste like.
So these are our shapes. You want to point to the shapes again?
This is a star, that's a diamond, this is a bear, this is a lion, this is an elephant. This is a moon, over, I don't know, either it's like a...
Those are stars. Those are smaller stars. And then monkeys. So they look a bit interesting now, guys, but let's put our icing on them and we'll see what they, yeah, good or better.
Yeah.